How to create and share meeting link on Webex. What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily create a new link on Cisco Webex. First thing first, go ahead and open up your web browser and simply search for Webex. Hit enter. Click on the first link that you see here. And once you head over to the official website, simply go ahead and click on the sign in option to log into your account. Now from here, you can continue with different sites like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, or even your Apple ID. Or if you register with your email, you can do that. I've logged in using my Google account, so I'm just going to click on Google and simply log into my account. Now, once you are logged into your account, on the left side of your screen, you'll find different options like settings, meetings, and webinars. Head over to the meetings tab and you should be able to see a meeting if there is any. But if you want to create a new meeting, what you have to do is click on the start drop down. And then if you have already planned a meeting, you can just simply start from here. And if you want to create a new one, you'll find the schedule icon right here. Click on this and you should be able to schedule a new meeting. So go ahead and click on meeting topic. So I'm just going to go ahead and name it like something like test. Then you can send a separate invitation for someone by entering their email. You can enter the meeting agenda as well. And then from here, you can choose your security options like your meeting's passcode. If you want to exclude passcode from email invitation, you can do that as well. And there are other options as well. You could choose your audio connections, as well as on the advanced option, you have your breakout sessions, registrations, sign-in language, and other stuff like meeting options. And if you want to start this meeting, click on start like this, and your meeting will now begin. So you can either continue from your browser or download the Webex app, and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. That's how you create a new meeting on Webex. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.